Unboxing tayo guys, unboxing. And this is the freebies. And this is the freebies that I get from the EMIRATES Airlines first class. Look at this beautiful kit. That's from Bulgaria. Ayan. Buksan na natin kung anong meron sa loob. We'll see what is inside. Oh, look at that. That's Bulgaria. We'll see what is in here. Small pouch. Oh, a perfume. Look at that. Rubinia perfume from Bulgaria. That's the one. Oops. What else inside? Emotions hydrating for the face. And this is emotion hydrating for the body. And this one is the cleansing towel. And what else here? And this one is the lip balm. There's a few more here. What is this? Oh, that's the mirror. A mirror. Let's put this one back. I put this in first. Has tissues. A comb, dental kit, and roll on. Yan. At ito guys ang lahat ng laman ng first class kit from EMIRATES Airlines. Bulgaria. The perfume is quite a big size, quite nice size. It's a good bag size, traveling. Okay, that's all for now guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and stay safe. Keep smiling.